All right, this video is going to be a little bit quicker than last Sunday's upload. I have a few things to show you, I have a few things to talk about, but not a whole lot really going on yet because we're waiting on those 3-gallon planters. So yesterday I gave the room straight water. I filled all these trays up all the way with water. This one I actually had to fill 1.5 times and it still dried back. That one, they didn't quite drink all of it yet. They will. This one's a little wet still. Don't worry about that. They'll drink it by tomorrow. And then I won't have to water for a couple days after that. But they're you know, nice and green, at least. Remember, this one was the one that was the most affected. Like, this one could not handle the concentration of feed at all. Also, a lot of people have been saying that this is salt deposit, but I've got liquefied eggshells in my feed. This is calcium, guys. It's a calcium deposit, not salt. So that's what I wanted to show over here. Oh yeah, and the humidifier is a KZF 3-gallon. And then there's this, which I like as like a big planter cover crop. Then there's the soil that I'm going to use, but because the top is dried out, you can actually see what's going on with it, and especially when I flip it over, you know, to the stuff that's, you know, actually got some moisture in it, right? So there's that. Then there's this one. This is the rose rust susceptibility disqualification. Like, it's just too susceptible. I cannot run this one. But I just slapped it here and forgot about it. And it's growing. It doesn't care. There's barely any light, no airflow, but here it is. It's going to be hard for you to see, but down there is all of the disqualifieds. That's where they get dumped. So now you know. And of course I've got some regular, sorry about that, the phone died. These are the regular indoor staying house plants. They just sort of stay here by the door. You know, that's supposed to be good for things, I guess. This here's lemon thyme, golden lemon thyme. You see it's got green on it still, so, you know, maybe it'll come back around. I just plucked it out of the ground and slapped it in there because it kept getting stepped on. This is a smaller piece that broke off. I don't think the smaller piece gonna make it. Then, one of the strays had kittens, which, I mean, everyone loves kittens, right? But these ones are kind of feral, and you can't get too close, except for this one. This one you can kind of get close to, but there are, you know, 5 more of them somewhere. They just ran away when I walked up to the door. I've got some citrus trees. I've got my big aloe vera. That's a 5-gallon garbage can. Pineapple, some more citrus. This one here is actually a pomelo grapefruit seedling, along with, I believe, this one. And I don't know if any other of the pomelos are here, but I'm pretty sure this one and this one are. Well, okay, I know that those two are, but I'm not sure if any more, you know, are out here. I can't remember what the others are. Clementine or something. I got my snake plant. Another pineapple, another spider plant. But this is actually my brother's Christmas cactus. And you see I've had to put a bunch of these little cups in because those kittens were climbing into this, and they can get underneath of it. Unlike a full-size cat, they can get underneath of it in between the strawberries, and they've been leaving little deposits for me. So rather than watch the plant die, I just found another use for solo cups. All right, y'all. Oh, and I did put a little, I think that one is an orange of some kind in here. All right, y'all, that's the Sunday upload. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Okay, thanks, bye.